Can you predict sake taste just by labels? Most beginners think the label is a secret code they cannot crack. They see a bottle, feel confused, and buy something randomly. Then they take a cup, feel disappointed, and think, maybe I don't like sake. Wait, don't give up yet. The problem isn't the sake. The problem is the label gap. You see big kanji characters and guess the meaning. You see the word dry and expect no sweetness at all. You ignore the small numbers, and you miss the easiest taste clues. I'm Rakuda, a certified sake sommelier called Kikisaki-shi in Japanese and a farmer. I look at sake through two lenses, culture and science. Today, I will give you 3 simple rules to read any label. These rules will help you waste less money and find your favorite bottle faster. Rule 1, ignore the art, find the category. When you look at a bottle, your eyes go to the big, beautiful calligraphy. That is usually the brand name. In the world of pharmacy, the brand name like Tylenol is different from the active ingredient like acetaminophen. In sake, the active ingredient for taste is the specific name Tokute Meishoshu, the 2-step check. 1. Check the front. Look for words like Junmai, Ginjo, or Ginjo 2. Check the back. If the front is too artistic, the back label always has the legal style in clear text. What do these words mean for your tongue? Junmai pure rice made only with rice water and koji. Taste richer, fuller, and has a strong rice flavor, umami. Ginjo dai Ginjo. The rice is polished a lot, and it is fermented at low temperatures. Taste fruity apple, melon, and floral. It feels like a perfume you can drink. Honjozo, a tiny bit of brewer's alcohol is added. Kikisaki-shi note, this is not to make it cheap. This is to make the aroma sharper and the body lighter. It's like adding a drop of water to whiskey to open up the scent. Pro tip. If you want something refreshing, look for Junmai Gin. If you want something strong with meat, look for Junmai. Rule 2. Read 4 numbers to see the logic of flavor. Numbers don't lie, but they can be tricky. As a pharmacist, I look at data. On the back label, you will see 4 key numbers. SMV sake matter value Nihon Shudo. Think of this like a battery symbol, plus and minus. Plus, higher numbers like 5 mean drier. Minus, lower numbers like 2 mean sweeter. ESL note dry in English often means sharp finish. It doesn't just mean no sugar. It means it cleans your palate. Acidity sando usually between 1.0 and 2.0. High acidity 1.6 makes the sake feel crisp and sharp. Low acidity 1.2 or less makes it feel soft and round. Science fact: high acidity can hide sweetness. Even if the SMV is minus sweet, high acidity can make it taste balanced like a good lemonade. Rice Polish ratio semi a percentage. Lower percent means more luxury. 70% means 30% was removed. Rich earthy. 50% means 50% was removed. Clean fruity. Semi means how rice is remaining. ABV alcohol by volume %. Usually 15% to 16%. If you see 18% or 19%, that is Genshu undiluted. Safety note: treat high ABV sake like a strong wine. Sip slowly. Rule 3. Look for warning words to avoid disappointment. Some sake is alive. From a pharmacist's view, we must care about stability. Nama unpasteurized. This sake has not been heat treated. The enzyme factor. The enzymes are still active. The taste is fresh, zingy, and wild. The risk: if you leave it in a warm room, the taste breaks down quickly. Always keep nama in the fridge. Think of it like fresh milk. Nigori kraudi contains the rice particles. It looks sweet and creamy, but some nigori is very dry. Check rule 2. Genshu no water added, powerful and bold. Great with ice sake on the rocks if it feels too strong. Before we finish, remember these 3 traps. The dry trap. Just because it says 10 super dry, it doesn't mean it has 0 flavor. It means the finish is very quick. The kanji trap. Don't be afraid of the big letters. They are just the name. Focus on the small printed text. The storage trap. If a shop keeps Nama Rule 3 on a warm shelf under bright lights, run. The taste is likely damaged. The safe side strategy. If you are still unsure at a restaurant or shop, ask for Junmai Ginjo, the most balanced style. Ask for it chilled 10C50F. Most sake tastes great at this temperature. It is the Goldilocks zone, not too cold, not too warm. Sake is not a mystery. It is a beautiful blend of tradition and chemistry. Once you understand these 3 rules, style, numbers, and special flags, You stop guessing and start choosing. I want you to feel calm and confident the next time you hold a bottle. Enjoy the moment, enjoy the food, and don't let the label stress you out. If you found this helpful, download the cheat sheet. I have put a one-page PDF guide in the description below. 1. Sake label rule map. 2. Name versus style, choosing sake. 3. Number decoder. Subscribe. I share practical sake tips every week from a sake, sommelier, and pharmacist perspective. Comment below. Tell me, what are you eating for dinner? Sushi? Pizza? Steak? Tell me your menu, and I will reply with the best style word for your meal. Drink responsibly, stay curious, and I will see you in the next video. Kanpai!
Thank you for watching sake visually. Subscribe for more visual sake guide. And now, kanpai!